We like to make Trails Day as accessible as possible, even for people who have never been to a given trail, park, natural area, or other location. Therefore, we need an exact location where participants should go to find or start your activity. A park or trail name is just too vague for this purpose. Fortunately, Google Maps makes it easy. Here's how to get the specific information that we need. Just load up Google Maps and navigate to the general area where your activity is. Next, click the Layers button to turn on satellite view. Next, zoom in to the location where you want people to start your activity or to meet up. Then just click anywhere on the map that does not have an existing place name or map pin. Google Maps will now display a small gray map pin and a box with some text, a couple numbers, and 2 buttons. Just click that button on the right and then click Copy Link. Next, simply go back to your form and paste the information in. It's as easy as that. This helps us make a GIS map of all the Trails Day events and include a link that people can use to navigate exactly to where you want them. Thanks so much.